G'day, here's a small parcel of offcuts and rubs of Boulder Opal from various fields, bit of choroid. Not sure where some of the other materials come from, but the rules in millimetres, the material is wetted, and the white that you're seeing there is the light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit so you can see a bit better. Pinks and greens there. Easy to cut that into a stone, I think. So these are offcuts, so it's good and bad. Still could make a little stone though. Spectacular. Piece of blue choroid showing on the edge there. Little stone over there, another little stone here perhaps. If this comes off, you end up with a little stone there. Something somebody's preformed. Again, that's pretty well nothing. That itself could be made into just a little stone. Just a flake of nothing. Cut a little stone. See, a piece of choroid. They've probably tried to cut the wrong side of that. You'd lose a little bit, but I think you could end up with a stone on this side. Some greens in this piece. And here's that little blue piece again, a bit closer. There you go, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.